Fourth point, the more a drug is potentized, the greater its dynamic medicinal power increases to an incredible degree. Okay, this is the you can tell quality of potentization. When you are potentizing, okay, just putting some medicine and vehicles and giving trituration process, okay, with motor and pestle, okay, or with other electronic way of potentization, okay. So their power, okay, medicinal power is increasing, okay. So we have seen in these things in cases of like Cilicia and Natrum muriaticum. Okay, these are like in crude form they don't have any medicinal value, but when they are potentized, they are good homeopathic medicines. Okay. Then fifth point is potentization helps to individualize a drug through its latent pathogenetic power as it discovered in its homeopathic drug proving. Okay, drug proving is a new term, okay, for us. Okay, if you know little about clinical trials, okay, so just drug proving is related with that only. Okay, so in drug proving, what happened? Ki, healthy human beings they are given homeopathic medicines in low doses, okay, low doses and low potency, okay, and after some times, okay, what happened to Dr. Hahnemann? Okay, he himself got the symptoms of malaria, okay, like there was fever, okay, body ache, there was vertigo, okay, then there was abdominal cramp, okay, many things, shivering were there, okay. So like that, when any healthy persons they get, okay, just you can tell this is nearby vaccination process. Okay, when you take vaccine, you get like now you have taken COVID-19 vaccine and you got fever, okay, all these things. So if any healthy person is taking all these things, okay, they get the symptoms. Okay, so this process is called in homeopathy drug proving. Okay, so homeopathic medicines comes in materia medica only after their proving. Okay, when uh, drugs are given to healthy persons and when they show the symptom of particular disease, like or that what symptoms they show, okay, they are just collected, and then this medicine become the medicine for that particular symptoms. Okay, so about this drug proving we will study in concerned chapter, but now you just understand that drug proving is a one way of collecting symptoms in homeopathy, and by which we just keep our medicines in materia medica. Okay, by drug proving, drugs are medicines are approved, homeopathic medicines are approved, and after that they are just they get their places in materia medica, which we study. Okay, so this drug proving. Then sixth point is potentization does not preserve the therapeutically potential, but or increases the pharmacological and therapeutic activity. Okay, so this potentization process just help us to get the therapeutic activity of the drug. Okay, then seventh point, abnormal susceptibility. Okay, now one again more one term is there. Okay, susceptibility. Okay, so this susceptibility. Okay, susceptibilities is a plural form. Okay, susceptibility. Okay, so, about susceptibility comes as a long question in organ of medicine. Okay, and very like clearly you will study in about the susceptibility definition, other things. Okay, so in organ of medicine, here just you understand the tendency to catch disease. Okay, tendency. Okay, susceptibility. Okay, sometimes just we give a example ki in a single family. Okay, five pupils are there, like one is COVID positive and four are not positive. Okay, so like that, this is the susceptibility. Okay, in other language you can tell as a immunity. Okay, but when you will study about this in organ, you will get a very clear picture of the susceptibilities. Okay, and this is very important. Organ, it comes as a long question, susceptibility. Okay, then constitutional. Okay, constitutional is again one more term. Okay, that is used in homeopathy for the physical constitution and mental constitution. Okay, like sometimes we tell ki this pupil is black, this pupil is fair, this pupil is short, this pupil is tall. Okay, this is the physical constitution of particular person. Okay, mental constitution, sometimes we tell this person gets angry very easily, this person is calm. Okay, so all these things are the mental constitution. The constitutions are physical and mental. Okay, so about this also you will study in organ of medicine and materia medica. Okay, about the each drug, which type of constitution these persons have. Okay, then abnormality is miasm. Okay, miasm or miasm. Okay, you can pronounce anyway. Okay, miasm or miasm. Okay, about this also you will study in organ of medicine. Okay, miasm terms actually terms came it was given by Dr. Henneman for the materia piccans, okay, means which are disease causing agent, okay. Miasm is like a
Okay.
materia piccans or disease causing agent, okay. So previously I told you earlier there was no discovery of this microscope, okay. So nobody was knowing what is the cause of disease, okay. If you go to history of medicine, you will find previously people used to understand these diseases were because the god is unhappy with the pupil, okay, or devil come, uh, uh, devil is coming, that's why the disease happens, okay. So all these type of problems were there, but later on with the discoveries of microscope, people come to know कि viruses are there, bacteria is there, parasite is there, okay, and they are causing the disease, okay. So homeopathy, Dr. Henneman just understood, okay, कि things ki there is something, okay, that is causing the problems, okay, but he was not actually able to tell because there was no discovery of microscope, okay. So he just tell all these things as a miasm or materia piccans, okay, or disease causing agent, okay, disease causing agent, okay. So about detail about this you will study in organ of medicine, okay. So here three terms are there: susceptibility, constitutional, okay, and constitution or constitutional or miasm, okay. So about these things you will study in organ of medicine, okay. Can only be cured by the dynamic and deep action of the drugs, okay. This is only possible by potentized medicine, okay. When medicines are potentized, okay, that only helps to get rid of these diseases, okay. They just create a power in our body to fight against that particular disease and we recover, okay, or we get cured, okay. Then next part is uh, this is the only possible by potentized medicine. The action of the potentized medicines are deeper, longer, and more widespread. Okay, so these, as per Dr. Henneman, these potentized medicine, okay, which are not in a crude form or which are not in a material form, they have more action and they are very well act in our body. Okay, and they helps to stimulate the vital force so that we get cured. Okay. The next is the medicinal quality of other drugs which are more or less active in their natural states are enlarged and their sphere of actions are broadly broadened by this process. Okay, means there are some medicine, they are actually medicine, but when they are in crude form or when they are in material doses, they are not acting so well. Okay, but when they are potentized, they act very well and in more comfortable way. Okay, in our body. Okay, so this is the eighth point. Okay. Now we will come to next point, effects of potentization. Okay, what will be the effect of potentization? This is the next part. Okay, or next point you can tell. Uh, Quantitative reduction but qualitative increase of the therapeutic activity. Quantitative, why? Because quantity of drug material or quantity of the crude drug material is decreasing because we are just diluting with sugar of milk or the alcohol and we are giving trituration and succussion, okay. But quality of the medicine increases, okay. It has more therapeutic activity, okay. It helps us to get more power. It just stimulate or it just put more power in the medicine which helps us to cure, okay. Then increase in potential energy determined by the different skills, okay. Potential energy because when we do the trituration and succussion, this kinetic energy is converted into potential energy and in that is just inside the medicine, okay. Because when we give the threshold energy in succussion and when we give trituration forces, all this kinetic energy convert into potential energy and this potential energy helps to cure our body, okay. Medicinal potential energy is there, okay. Third is the elimination of toxic products, okay. Like when poisons are there, many other things are there, okay. So when we are doing this potentization process, okay, what happened, this actual poisons are eliminated, okay, and we are getting the pure form of the medicine which only helps us or which just helps in curing the person, okay. Then gaining of the maximum potential energy or dynamic power, okay. So maximum potential energy or dynamic power we get by the process of potentization, okay. This is the effect of potentization. Now phenomena of potentization, okay, how we do the potentization, okay. This is the process, okay, process of potentization. These were the definition of potentization, okay. Then what is the profit of potentization, all these things we have studied, okay. But now what is the like factor for, what are the phenomena of potentization, how we do the potentization process, okay, all these things are there, okay. The first phenomena of potentization, what is the two terms are there, okay, dilution and friction, okay. I told you earlier also, potentization includes two phenomena, okay. One phenomena is the dilution, okay. We dilute with the sugar of milk or with the different type of edible alcohol, okay, or distilled water, and then we give the friction, that may be in the form of trituration or that may be in the form of succussion, okay. Then factors of potentization, what are the factors, okay, or what are the things needed for the potentization? A, natural nature of the drug, which type of drug we are using, okay, solvent or vehicles, okay, which type of solvent or vehicle we are using, okay. These are the important things to decide which type of trituration we are doing, okay. Then relation between the factors, okay, solid vehicles, sugar of milk, okay, used for insoluble drugs, okay, solid vehicles, for solid vehicles we use the sugar of milk used for insoluble drugs, okay. Already we talked the trituration process is done for the insoluble drug materials, okay. Then liquid vehicles, okay, for the liquid vehicles, C2H5OH, that is alcohol, ethyl alcohol used for drug soluble in the liquid vehicle, okay. Purified water used in preparing potencies, okay, different potencies or just increasing the potency. Dispensing alcohol in some cases also it is used, okay. So mainly what is used, okay, solid vehicles like sugar of milk is used, alcohol is used, purified water is used, okay, and the drug material is used, okay. Now we will go to the next part, okay. Processes of potentization or dynamization, okay. Now this is the process, okay. How potentization is done, okay. Drugs are potentized principally by two methods, okay, or two processes, okay. One is the trituration process. In case of insoluble substances, remember it, potentization is or trituration is always done in cases of insoluble substances, okay. But succussion is done in cases of soluble substances, okay. So you have to know the what drug you are making, okay, what crude drug form you have taken. You should have to know the quality of that particular drug. Is it soluble in liquid vehicles or it is insoluble in liquid vehicle, okay. Because as per the solubility and insolubility, the process of process of potentization will change, okay. Process of potentization contain two form. One is trituration, second is succussion, okay. Remember this, okay. Then scales of potentization, what are the different scales of potentization, okay. The scales of potentization for trituration, centesimal scale and decimal scale, okay. For the process already we have studied about different scales used in homeopathic pharmacy, okay. So for trituration we do use only two scales, that is centesimal scale or decimal scale, or you can tell decimal scale and centesimal scale, okay. For trituration, remember it, many times examiner they ask for trituration which type of scales are used, okay. So decimal and centesimal scales are used, okay. Then for succussion, okay, for succussion, centesimal scale, decimal scale, and 50 millisimal, all the three scales are used in the cases of succussion. Okay. So in cases of succussion, all the three scales are used. Centesimal, decimal, and 50 millisimal scales are used. Okay. Now, products of potentization. Okay. Potency denotes, as already we have talked about this, okay, in that chapter, different scales, okay. Potency denotes as 30, 200, 1 m, cm, mm in centesimal scale, okay. Then 1x, 2x, 3x, 6x, 12x, okay, continue so on, okay, in decimal scales, okay. Then 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, 0 by 4 in 50 millisimal scale, okay. So already we know about this, okay. So how it is denoted, okay, because x is for the decimal scale, c is for the centesimal scale, okay. And this 50 millisimal potency 0 by 1, 0 by 2, or lm by 1, lm by 2, okay, already we discussed it, okay. Now we will go to the next part. Okay, that is trituration. Okay, so this is important. How we do trituration? Trituration only we do for which are insoluble. Okay, drug materials. Okay, so definition. Okay, already we have learnt about the definition of potentization. Okay, potentization. Okay, remember definition of potentization. Okay, so here trituration. Anyone can tell now what is the definition of potentization? What is the definition of potentization?
Yeah. मांझा ये गोटे ज्ञान मिलती लगी है इधर
Okay, trituration. Okay, definition. It is an ideal physical mathematical process of potentization by which preparation of medicines takes place by the use of solid vehicle. Okay, that is sugar of milk. Okay, by grinding in definite order according to the pharmacopoeia. Okay, now each terminology we will understand here. Trituration definition. It is an ideal. Okay, it is an ideal physical mathematical process of potentization. Okay, by which preparation of medicines takes place by the use of solid vehicle, that is sugar of milk, by grinding in a definite order according to the pharmacopoeia. Okay, so this is the trituration process. Grinding process is done. Okay, so that is the it is a one way of potentization where grinding process is done. Okay, this is called as a trituration. Next is the vehicles for trituration. Okay, which type of vehicles are used for trituration? Vehicles for trituration. Okay, for trituration, sugar of milk is used instead of other solids. Remember it. Okay. Any one of you can tell what is the definition of trituration? You can see and you can tell. What is trituration? Millie,
Yes, sir.
what is definition of trituration?
So trituration is an ideal physical mathematical process of potentization by which preparation of medicines takes place by the use of solid vehicle, that is sugar of milk by grinding in definite order according to pharmacopoeia.
Pharmacopoeia. Okay. So this you need to remember as it is. Okay, for exams. Okay. Now we will go to next part, vehicles for trituration. Already we know which are the vehicles for trituration. For trituration, sugar of milk is used instead of other solid vehicles because sugar of milk is the best crystalline substances. Okay, already we have discussed in vehicle chapter about different types of vehicles. Okay, so this is the best crystalline substances, scentless, okay, means odorless, gritty to touch. Gritty to touch already I told, okay, it is not too much smooth and too much rough, okay. Faintly sweet, little sweet. It has been founded by the experiments that it is a quite component to ground down to an uh, inconceivably fine powder the particles such as a mineral substances which are insoluble either in the purified water or in the alcohol. Okay, means when anything is grinded in mortar and pestle, okay, or the electronic like mortar and pestle, okay, when it is grinded with sugar of milk, they are easily they dissolve, or they are immiscible. Okay, they are there. Okay, means you can find it as properly mixed with the sugar of milk. Okay, that's why this for vehicle for uh, trituration process we use as a vehicle this sugar of milk. Okay, because sometimes just the examiner you ask why only sugar of milk is used for trituration process, so you can tell all the qualities of sugar of milk. Okay, like it is a crystalline substances, scentless, okay, odorless, gritty to touch, faintly sweet. Okay, and you can just add one more point, it can immerse or it can properly dissolve or it can properly accompany all the drug materials properly when we do the process of trituration with mortar and pestle. Okay, next is the um, insoluble either in purified water or alcohol. Okay. Repeated systematic triturations are quite capable of affecting the system and becomes very wonderful and most powerful medicine. Okay, so every trituration, that is like each trituration we go to next potency. Okay, every time when we are triturating, okay, 1x, 2x, 3x, so every time it become a wonderful or very good medicine. Okay, because when we are doing, every time we are doing the trituration process, we are getting the better potency. Okay, and always the better potencies or like are good medicines. Okay, like in other system of medicine, when we want to give more powerful medicine, we just increase the material dose. Okay, material dose of the medicine, but here just we increase the potency of the medicine. Okay. Substances taken for trituration. Okay, what type of trituration? Okay, it is the again we will go to the older system of older system of preparation of homeopathic medicine. Okay, so Hahnemann classified drugs into three categories, as he mentioned in class 7, class 8 and class 9 for trituration. Okay, already we have discussed about this. Class 7, 8 and 9 are for trituration because they are not soluble. Okay. So dry insoluble drug substances insoluble in purified water and alcohol. Okay. Medicinal substances class 7. Okay. Examples are arsenic album, alumina or aluminium. Okay. Then calcarea carb. Okay. Then carbovegetalis, graphites. Okay. Coryllium, rubrum. Okay. So all these things are class 7. Okay. Then liquid insoluble drug substances. Already we discussed about class 8. Liquid insoluble means I told many poisons come under this class. Okay. So liquid insoluble medicinal substances class 8, example petroleum is there. Okay. Then snake venom is there, such as the lachesis is there, elaps is there, naza is there, crotalus is there, viper is there. Okay. Then nosodes such as lysine is there, beryllium is there, vaccinum is there. Okay. Melandrinum is there. Okay, etc. So all these things are there. They are like a little they are actually not soluble. Okay, they are little fat or lipid like things. Okay, that's why they are not soluble in the liquid. Okay, alcohol and water. Okay, that's why these are triturated. Okay, then next is the fresh vegetables, and then next is the fresh vegetables and animal substances class 9th, example anthracinum is there, sorinum is there. Okay, madorinum is there, syphilinum is there, blata orientalis is there. Okay, blata americana is there, agaricus is there, anacardium is there. Okay, etc. So these are the examples for class 9th. Okay, there are many more, but just these are the examples. Then difference in the process of trituration in class 7, class 8 and class 9. Okay, what are the differences? In class 7, for trituration, ratio of the medicinal substances and sugar of milk is 1 is to 99 as per centesimal scale. These 99 part of sugar of milks are divided into the three equal parts. Okay, means here just try to understand. Okay, what happened? One part we have taken the drug material, and 99 part we have taken the this sugar of milk. Okay, suppose we have taken uh, 1 gram, okay, and 99 gram. Okay, now we have to divide this 99 gram also in three parts: 33 plus 33 plus 33. Okay, small parts. Okay, 33 plus 33 plus 33. Okay, remember it. So 99 part of sugar of milk are divided into three equal parts: 33 plus 33 plus 33. Okay, the trituration process consists of three stages, each having 20 minutes. Each part of the sugar of milk is to be added at the beginning of each stage. Okay, so about this we will clarify later on. Okay, all these clarifications are there. Okay, how this 33 plus 33 plus 33. Okay, first 20 minute we will put the first 33, then in second 20 minute we will put the again second 33. Okay, in third 20 minute we will put the again last 33. Okay, so that is total 99 parts. Okay, so this is 20 minutes plus 20 minutes plus 20 minutes. How much time? Hello, 20 minutes, 20 minutes,
1 hour.
1 hour. Okay, so total
One.
it will take the 1 hour. Okay, then next is the in class 8th. Okay, what will happen? For trituration ratio of the liquid medicinal substances and sugar of milk. Okay, 1 is to 99 as per centesimal scale. The 99 part of sugar of milk should not be divided into three equal parts, because in this case sugar of milk is very small in quantity. So whole quantity of sugar of milk should be taken at a time in the mortar and pestle, and the medicinal substances should be poured over it for a preventing sticking of the oily medicinal substances in the surface of the mortar. Okay, now here in class 8th, where all the things are like poisonous, okay, you will not do 33. Okay, it is just old process. Okay, it is not the new process. Okay, it is old process. Here you will not divide into 33 and 33 and 33. Just okay, 99 parts sugar of milk you will take. Okay, 1 gram and 99 gram directly will put in your mortar and pestle, and there you will pour the liquid form of insoluble, okay, drug material, and you will start trituration process for 1 hour. Okay, so remember this. Okay, this is for class. Okay, sometimes examiner they just ask. Okay, I told you कि many of examiner are fond of old method. Okay, many examiner just they are more fond of new method of preparation of drug. Okay, the old method, this class 8th you remember. Okay, then next is the in class 9th. Okay, in class 9th, same as the process of class 8th, but the ratio of the fresh drug substances and sugar of milk is 2 is to 99 as per centesimal scale. Here two parts are taken uh, because there is always some loss of evaporation during the trituration process. Okay, so here this much is there. Okay, again in old method I am telling. Okay, this is trituration process is in old method. Okay, now method of trituration of dry insoluble medicinal substances. Okay, class 7th in by Dr. Okay, how Dr. Hahnemann has done this. Okay, Hahnemannian method. Okay, just we will see this Hahnemannian method. Okay, requirements, ingredient, required amount of crude drug substances, required amount of sugar of milk. Okay, apparatus, one clean unglazed porcelain mortar. Already you have seen porcelain mortar. One clean unglazed porcelain pestle. Already you have seen. One clean handmade spatula for scrubbing. Okay, an empty clean file of required size. Okay, means in that file your medicine should come. Okay, later on. Okay, then a stop clock or a watch to just count key how much time you are taking to do this process. Okay, then next is the a fresh marked new velvet cork. Okay, to just means use as a cover for that particular file. Okay, then label, paper, paste, scissor, pen, etc. Balance and wet box. Okay, balance, wet box always needed, because how will you decide how much you are taking the drug material. Okay, and how much you are taking the sugar of milk. Okay, now we will come to the next part, procedure in different scales. Okay, by this process the okay, this process is the process by Dr. Hahnemannian methods. Okay, by this process, the potentization of dry medicinal substances takes place, which is insoluble in water and alcohol. Okay, in centesimal scale, ratio of the drug substances and sugar of milk is 1 is to 99. That is 33 plus 33 plus 33. But as per HPI, 11 plus 33 plus 55. Okay, here also you see 11 plus 33 plus 55. Okay, is also 99. Okay, so in HPI this is also given. Okay, so remember. Okay, if examiner will ask, don't confuse. Okay, tell ki both the methods are okay. Okay, means we can keep 33 plus 33 plus 33. Okay, or otherwise we can keep 11 plus 33 plus 55. Okay, so both are same. Okay, both methods are used. Okay, so just a ratio means first 20 minutes you will keep 33, then second 20 minutes you will keep 33, then third 20 minutes you will keep 33. Okay, same times if you will go to 11, 33 and 55, first 20 minutes you will give to 11 11 part, then 33 part, then next 20 minutes you will go to 55 part. Okay, like that. In decimal scale how we will go. Okay, ratio of the drug substances and the sugar of milk is 1 is to 9, 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, but as per HPI, 1 plus 3 plus 5. Okay, so if you go to decimal scale, okay, 1 is to 9. First 20 minutes 3 part, again next 20 minute 3 part, next 20 minute 3 part. Okay, but it is given in HPI. First 20 minute 1 part, first next 20 minute 3 part, next 20 minute 5 part. Okay, you understood or not? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, na, you understood, na? Ki means both is correct. Okay, both way is correct. Okay, but what happens ki this second 1 is to 3 is to 5 is little complicated. Little complicated means you have to divide in 9 parts. Okay, because how you will consider one part? You have to divide 9 parts. Okay, so like that. And in 33 you have to take only 3 equal parts. Okay, so this is little changes. Okay, the method of preparation which are utilized are similar, but the only difference is that the centesimal scale, the ratio of the drug substances, and the ratio of the uh, sugar of milk. Sugar of milk is 1 is to 99, and the decimal scale, the ratio of the drug substance and sugar of milk is 1 is to 9. Okay, so already we know this. Next is the centesimal in centesimal scale. Okay, process of trituration. Okay. Next is the principle. Okay, in centesimal scale, how we will go. Principle: one part of the drug substances is triturated with the 99 parts of sugar of milk. All substances triturations are made by taking one part by previous ones and 99 parts of sugar of milk. Okay. Duration: the whole process is divided into 3 stages. Each stage has 20 minutes. Okay. Each 20 minute is again divided into 10 plus 10 minutes. Okay. This 10 plus 10 minute is like 10-minute clockwise and 10-minute anti-clockwise. Okay, this 10 minute is again divided into small parts. Okay, we'll go next part, we will see. Okay, and remember this. Okay, these you need to remember. Okay, these 10 minutes are asked many times. Okay, each 10 minute is composed of first stage rubbing with pestle. Rubbing, okay, that is the process of trituration. Okay, that friction you are giving, rubbing. 6 minute. Okay, then second stage scraping. Okay, you are scraping and putting everything in the center for 3 minutes. Third stage is you are mixing or stirring 1 minute. Okay, so remember this procedure. Okay, keep first. Okay, rubbing you will do for 6 minutes. Okay, scraping you will do for 3 minutes. Okay, mixing you will do for 1 minute. Okay, so remember this. Okay, uh, okay, Lucky, hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how 10 minutes are divided?
Sir, first stage for rubbing with pestle 6 minutes, second stage scraping 3 minutes, and third stage mixing 1 minute.
1 minute. Okay, remember this. Okay, this 10 minutes. Okay, because 20 minute is divided into two parts, 10 minutes, and 10 minute is for clockwise work, and 1 10 minute is for anti-clockwise. Okay, first you because this scraping and mixing is not in clock or anti-clock but rubbing process. Okay, that is called as a process of trituration. Okay, this trituration process. Okay, this trituration process you will do 6 minutes. In first you will do like clockwise, then you will do the anti-clockwise. Okay, for next 10 minutes. Okay, the clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, you need to remember, that's why these 10 minutes are two times. Okay, then procedure. Okay, first stage duration 20 minutes. Okay, now this procedure is there. Okay, so here we will take 1 grain or like okay, 0.65 milligram of drug substances is added to 33 grains. Okay, of weight of the sugar of milk. Can you just do a calculation, a small calculation? 1 grain is equal to, if 0.65 milligram, okay, then 33 grain is equal to how much? 33 grain is will be how much? Okay, just now I will do. Okay, that is 21.45 gram. Okay, that is 21.45 gram. Okay, so like that. Okay, so just here we will go, not confuse ourselves, or we will just go with the grains. Okay, 1 grain 0.65 milligram. Okay, 33 grains mean 33 into 0.65 milligram by weight of sugar of milk in a clear unglazed porcelain mortar. Then it is triturated through the following stages. Okay, the first stage is also subdivided by two sub stages. Okay, this is first sub stage duration 10 minutes. Okay, just remember this. Okay, first 20 minutes. Okay, first part we have taken 1 grain of drug material and 99 grain of sugar of milk. Okay, this 99 grain of sugar milk is divided into 33 plus 33 plus 33. Okay, this 33, first 33 is taken in the with 1 grain of these drug substances is taken in unglazed porcelain tile. Okay, then 33 grain is taken. Okay, now we have 20 minutes. Okay, this 20 minutes is again divided into two parts, 10 minutes and 10 minutes. Okay, this 10 minutes is again divided in small parts like 6 minute rubbing. Okay, then 3 minute is scrubbing and 1 minute is mixing. Okay, total 10 minutes. Okay, the, if you will do anti-clockwise, next time we will do the clockwise. Okay, so here just we will see first sub stage duration 10 minutes, rubbing 6 minutes. It is the grinding with pestle. Okay, just a process of grinding. Okay, grinding with the pestle. Okay, the grinding should be steady and non-stop with uniform force strength. Remember it. Okay, many times examiner ask. Okay, ki how the grinding should be. Okay, the grinding should be steady and non-stop with uniform force strength in one direction, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, if first time you are doing clockwise, then next time you will do the anti-clockwise. Remember this. Okay, so this is a total mathematical expressions. Okay, this is the total mathematical expression. Okay, this we will understand. Okay, this total mathematical expression, how it is expressed. Okay. Okay, till here you have any doubt, anything you want to ask?